Hi friends, I am Tilak and you are watching Tech Made Be Unique.
So in this video I'm just going to show how to make this square or like this, how to make this. So like this, how to make a 5 square or like this. So you just, how to make this on Google Dash, you just need to type anything like a 5 or 6 whatever. So for an example I'm going to type as a 56 square. So I need a square. Then you just need to select the number, then go to click on the format option, click on the text option, and you can see a superscript and subscript. So there is an keyword for this control plus or control plus dot and control plus comma for this options shortcut. Just click here, you can see now it become like this. So again I just going to type as 56 and I just want a subscript. So I just select this, go to the format option, go to the text option, you can just select as subscript. So now you can easily make this on your Google Docs now. So I think you find a solution for your problem for making the square or subscript. So if you find this content really useful, then put on the like for this video, share this with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below to watch more videos about Google Docs right now.